Hey foodie family! Get ready to dive into the slimy world of okra and discover how these little green powerhouses can do wonders for your body. From boosting your immune system to keeping your digestive system happy, okra isn't just a tasty addition to gumbo, it's a legit superhero in the veggie world. Let's spill the beans, or should I say okra seeds, on 10 awesome ways this green goodness can heal and benefit your body. Get ready for a veggie adventure. Number 1, heart health. Okra is packed with stuff that's super friendly to your heart. First off, it's got this thing called fiber. Fiber is like the broom of your digestive system. It sweeps away the bad stuff like cholesterol, keeping your heart highway clear. But that's not all. Okra is also armed with antioxidants. These are like the bodyguards for your cells, fighting off bad guys called free radicals. And guess what? When free radicals mess around too much, it can lead to heart problems. Antioxidants in okra say, "Not on my watch." Oh, and there's more. Okra's a ninja when it comes to potassium. Potassium helps your body balance sodium levels, which in turn keeps your blood pressure in check. When your blood pressure is stable, your heart doesn't have to work as hard, reducing the risk of hypertension and related heart issues. Now let's talk about the cooking process. You can enjoy okra in various ways: sautéed, grilled, or even in soups and stews. When you cook okra, its fiber becomes even more effective at binding to cholesterol. Plus, the cooking process doesn't strip away its heart-healthy nutrients. Instead, it transforms okra into a delicious sidekick for your heart. Number 2, blood sugar control. When you eat okra, the soluble fiber turns into a gel-like substance in your belly and slows down the absorption of sugar, making sure it doesn't hit your bloodstream like a sugar tsunami. Slow and steady wins the race, right? It also has a bunch of vitamins and minerals that team up to make your body more insulin sensitive. Now, don't let the big words scare you. Insulin sensitivity is like the key that unlocks your cells to let sugar in. Okra makes sure that the key works smoothly, so your cells can happily welcome the sugar they need without any drama. Also, a study published in the Journal of Phytotherapy Research found that eating okra or taking okra capsules alongside regular diabetes medication could help reduce blood sugar levels for people with type 2 diabetes. However, be cautious of pitfalls. Avoid frying, as excess fats can compromise your sugar control efforts. Steer clear of heavy sauces that add unnecessary sugars, and watch your portion sizes to maintain a healthy balance. Number 3, weight management. Okra is low in calories but high in nutrients, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to trim down. Plus, it has that fantastic fiber we discussed earlier, the digestive system's broom. The fiber not only keeps your gut happy, but also makes you feel full and satisfied. Translation: you are less likely to raid the fridge for snacks when you've got okra in your corner. Also, when your blood sugar is stable, your body is less likely to store extra calories as fat. It's like okra is telling those extra calories, "Sorry, not today." Okra also helps with metabolism. Metabolism is like your body's engine, burning calories to keep you going. Okra, with its stash of B vitamins, particularly B3, niacin, and B6, gives your metabolism a turbo boost. It helps your body efficiently convert food into energy, so you're not stuck with excess calories hanging around. Now let's talk about some scientific evidence. Researchers found that okra extract could help reduce body weight and fat accumulation in mice. Now, we're not saying you should start munching on okra extract, but it's a hint that okra might have some secret weapons for weight management. So next time you're whipping up a meal, toss in some okra. Whether grilled, sautéed, or part of a delicious stew, okra's got your back on the weight loss journey. Number 4, eye health. Okra has a team of vitamins, A, C, and E, all working together to keep your eyes in tip-top shape. These vitamins are like the Avengers, each playing a crucial role. Vitamin A is the main star. It's like the superhero leader, maintaining the health of your cornea, the outer layer of your eye. Without enough vitamin A, your cornea gets damaged, leading to vision problems. Okra says, "No worries, I've got plenty of vitamin A to keep your cornea cool." Now let's talk about vitamin C. This one's like the shield, protecting your eyes from harmful stuff like free radicals. Remember those bad guys we talked about before? Yeah, vitamin C is here to kick them out of the eye party. And vitamin E, it's like the maintenance crew, repairing any damage that might happen to your eyes. So even if there's a little wear and tear, vitamin E swoops in to fix things up. But wait, there's more. Okra brings a buddy called lutein to the eye party. Lutein is like the bodyguard, specifically hired to shield your eyes from harmful UV rays. It forms a protective barrier, ensuring those rays don't mess with your eyesight. Number 5, skin health. You want skin so radiant it practically sparkles. Well, okra might just be the secret potion you've been missing. First up, we've got vitamin C. Think of it as your skin's shield against the villains of aging, like wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin C in okra battles those pesky free radicals, leaving your skin fresh and youthful. But that's not all. Okra is also packing vitamin A. It's like the guardian of your skin cells, ensuring they grow and regenerate properly. It's the defender against dullness and dryness, leaving your skin soft and supple. And here's a surprise guest, zinc. Zinc in okra plays the role of the repairman, helping your skin heal and recover. Got a pesky blemish? Zinc's got your back. Now for the grand finale, we have antioxidants. These are like bodyguards, here to protect your skin from the everyday stresses it faces, like pollution, UV rays, you name it. They are the defenders of your skin's natural glow. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 6, digestive health. Okra brings the fiber party to your gut. And trust me, it is the coolest guest. It adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass through the digestive highway. Also, the sliminess you find in okra is like a lubricant for your intestines. It helps things glide through effortlessly, preventing constipation and keeping your digestive pipes in top-notch shape. Now let's dive into the science corner for a moment. Studies have shown that the mucilage, fancy word for the slimy stuff, in okra acts as a natural prebiotic. What's a prebiotic? Well, it's like fertilizer for the good bacteria in your gut. These little bacteria buddies are crucial for a happy and balanced digestive system. They break down food, produce essential nutrients, and keep the bad guys in check. And guess what? Okra is the peacemaker for those with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Some studies suggest that the slimy goodness of okra can soothe the irritated stomach lining, giving relief to those troublesome IBS symptoms. Number 7, immune system support. Your immune system is like a team of tiny warriors inside your body, fighting off germs and keeping you healthy. Now, guess who's there to power up these warriors? Yep, you got it, okra. First off, okra is loaded with vitamin C. It boosts the production of white blood cells, the frontline soldiers in the war against infections. So when you munch on okra, you're sending reinforcements to your immune army. Okra also brings zinc to the immune party. It is a pro at repairing any damages, ensuring your immune team stays strong and resilient. But here's the twist. Okra doesn't just stop at the inside stuff. It's got this secret power to keep things chill and balanced like a peacekeeper. It helps your body stay cool and collected so your immune warriors can focus on the real battles. Number 8, supports joint health. Do those creaky joints act up when you stand? Well, guess what? Okra might just be the superhero your joints have been waiting for. First off, let's talk about vitamin C. It's like the fuel for making collagen, the magic ingredient that keeps your joints flexible and ready for action. So when you snack on some okra, you're giving your joints a shot of flexibility, making them tough against wear and tear. Now let's talk about manganese. It might not be as famous as other nutrients, but it's like the construction worker building a strong foundation for your joints. It helps in creating connective tissues, the support system for your joints to stand tall. And here comes folate, another goodie in okra. Folate is like the peacekeeper, reducing inflammation, the arch enemy of happy joints. By keeping inflammation in check, okra ensures that your joints can move smoothly without any annoying discomfort. So the next time your joints complain, give them a dose of okra love and watch them become the superheroes they were meant to be. Number 9, anti-cancer properties. Okra contains a powerful mix of antioxidants that combat free radicals. These free radicals, if left unchecked, can contribute to the development of cancer by causing damage to your cell's DNA. Okra's antioxidants step in as the body's defense, neutralizing these free radicals and reducing the risk of cancerous cell growth. Moreover, okra is a source of folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in DNA synthesis and repair. Adequate folate levels are associated with a lower risk of certain cancers, making okra a valuable addition to your anti-cancer arsenal. Research has also suggested that certain compounds in okra may have apoptotic properties, meaning they could induce programmed cell death in cancer cells. This process is essential for maintaining the balance between cell growth and cell death in the body. But hey, while okra is doing its thing, remember it's all about a balanced lifestyle. Okra is your tasty sidekick, but you've got to be the superhero of your own health story. Keep it real, keep it tasty, and keep on being awesome. Number 10, enhance fertility. Okra is loaded with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, A, and potassium. But the real star here is the folic acid. Folic acid is like a VIP pass for your body when it comes to baby making. It helps in the formation of DNA and all that important baby building stuff. Also, there's a study in cooperation with the Federation of American Societies for Experimental Biology that found okra extract could boost fertility in male rats. Now, rats aren't humans, but it's a clue that there might be something interesting happening. It's suggested that okra might help improve sperm quality and production. But remember, eating okra alone won't guarantee a bun in the oven. It's part of a whole healthy lifestyle package: good food, exercise, and all that jazz. So if you're on the baby-making journey, maybe throw some okra in your cooking pot. Who knows, those little green fingers might just do some fertility magic. So there you have it. Next time you spot okra in the grocery store, don't just pass it by. Grab it and throw it in your basket. Your body will thank you for this slimy green superhero. Whether it's keeping your heart in tip-top shape, helping with digestion, or giving your skin that radiant glow, okra is here to save the day. So let's make a pact to add a little more okra to our plates and savor the health benefits that come with it. Here is to a happy, healthy, and okra-filled life. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!